All right, the other day I came out and the sprinklers were just running. And I came and I looked at my thing here and I couldn't turn it on or off. It was completely just blank. So there must have been some kind of electrical interference. So the way you fix it is you got to open this sucker up here. And then you look right here. Oh shit. All right, you look right here and there's a reset button. And you just press that. Mosquito's trying to get me. All right, so you just got to press in there. Once you do that, it reconfigures, and bam, there it is, off. And that's how you do it. So if you get lost and you come out and this thing's completely blank and your sprinklers are running, just put your finger here, pop this open, go to that reset button, just press it, bam, you're back to where you're supposed to be. And then you can just put it back to auto. And then I've got a timer all set on there for my different things. So, okay, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Check out my other videos on sprinklers and stuff like that. I also have a bunch on YouTube and Mac products and whatever. All right, thanks a lot. See you next video. Bye.